Yes, it's recording.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so same like if need, right? If need get operation, get one record, right? So for that, what is the method is there in the repository, guys? Okay, in the data JP repository,
Find by ID.
if we need what, yeah, very good. If we need what, one record, right? Find by what? Find by ID. Based
ID.
on that, what
Find
we
by
will,
ID.
yeah, based on that we can find one record, right? And this method is returning what now, guys? Optional, right? Come on,
Yes, Ravi.
anyone forget? I
Yes,
still
sir.
remember, I forget it, guys.
Remember, Ravi.
OPT,
Remember.
right? OPT.
Remember.
So just later I will implement exception handling, right? Later I will implement what? Exception handling now, but just focus on this area, right? Just normally focus on the methodology, whatever methodology is there, right? So OPT dot what get, we have need to select what one object and we have need to return it, right? So for that, this is the method is there, right? This is the method. Which one? Optional. What is the use of optional? It will check null data, right? If not null is there, then it will return the back what data, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, fine.
Yes, Ravi.
So update if we want to update the data, right? So for that, repo dot save method is there, right? So we have need to save this data. So all basic methodology, just still without business logics we are writing what? Without business logics we are writing what? What our service classes, right? Our service classes now, guys. So for that, just this, based on this one only we will perform the operation now. Okay, so next step is what? We have need to implement what? Custom exception, guys. Okay, custom exception in our application. Okay, so oh, sorry. Okay, it's muted, right? So here what? Get one. Let's see that, guys. Okay, first what we have need to, first we will select one record, guys, based on this method implementation. First, without exception handling we will implement it. Okay, then I will show the problem, then we will implement, then you will get what? Clear picture about this one. Okay, so you guys will get what? Clear picture about that. So are you guys remember it? Path parameter. Come on, the last weekend
Yes,
only.
Yeah,
Ravi. Yes.
Path
yes,
Yes.
I
parameter.
remember.
pa-
Yes,
Path.
Ravi.
And
Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So just what? Just think about that in the database, right? This is the database. So if we need to select what? This record, right? Means what? This record means what? Equivalent to an object in the Java, na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So fine. So if we want, if we want to select, right? Select this record. So we have need to ID, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So this ID we have need to send from the database, sorry, consumer or not, guys?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
yes,
Request.
Ravi.
So if we want to send, right, if we want to send this like ID in the from the what? From the consumer in the using what? Path parameter, because we have need to, without ID we can't select this data, na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
So
Yes,
for
Ravi.
for that purpose, what we will use it now, guys? What we will use it now? Path variable, na?
At
Yeah,
the rate
path
path
variable.
variable.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, path variable,
Uh,
right? Path variable, right? Based on that path variable, just what is that? I explained, right? How many type of what? Path variables are there now, guys? Path parameter, how many types
Types,
now?
sir.
Come on.
Static path.
Dynamic path. Dynamic path, static path, right? So just what I'm writing, what http colon what colon what / just localhost colon product, right? Product colon find and what, as well as what, if we need to send, right? If we need to send one, right? So because we have need to send one, we have need what, we have need first record, right? So we have need to send like this URL na. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
And after then what, this data we have need to read, right? This data we have need to read in the method using what, dynamic path or not? Come on guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Right? Clear?
Clear, Ravi. Clear.
Now
Dynamic.
now here you will get what, where we will use in the real time what, path parameter, guys. Okay, now you guys will understand what, where we will use what, path parameter in what, in a real time. If we need to select what, one record at the time, we will use what, path parameter. So what I'm going to do now, just I'm going to write what, our controller class, guys. Okay, focus on this area, right? So here what, public, I'm writing what, public request entity, right? Public response entity. Good. Response entity, right? Response entity, and it's a return what type, we will take what, a generic type as what, product. Now we are taking the methodology is what, get one product, right? Get one product. Fine now guys. Okay, fine. So just here I'm taking what, return null only, right? For the just I'm taking dummy, right? A return, later we will change. Later we will change it. Okay, so fine now guys. So here what, if we want to select, if we want to fetch the record from the database, then what method we will take it now guys? Get only, right?
Yes.
Get mapping. Fine, get mapping, right? Inside that, just what is that, first URL is what, find we will take. After then dynamic, right? We need to read the dynamically one what, one ID. Based on that ID only we will select the data, guys. Okay, so fine now guys. So after then what I was explained in the last session now. So how we will read the data from the URL, the like data in our method, guys. Come on, what is the annotation
By
now?
using path variable.
Yeah, path variable. You know, which kind of data type now? Int, right? Int. And what is the name we will take here? Come on.
ID.
Yes, yeah. This ID and this ID name means this path variable name and what, local variable must match, otherwise we will not get the data, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes,
Okay, okay, fine now guys. So come in the method, right? Come in the method body. So here what we will, if we want to select the data, right? So service dot, where the method is there, service dot what, get one product, right? Oh sorry, get one product, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Get one
So
product.
yeah, inside that we will pass this ID, right? We will pass this ID now. Come on.
Correct. Correct, Ravi. Correct.
And this ID, this method will sorry, yeah, this one will return what, product data na. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
This one will return what, product itself only. Then okay, fine now guys. Okay, now I'm going to show one problem here, guys. Okay, focus on this area. Okay, I'm stressing means what, something is there, because of that I'm explaining, right? So here what I'm taking, what, response entity, right? Response entity product response entity product RESP equal to what, new response entity, right? New response entity. Good, very good. So here what we will take it now, guys, we will pass this what, product in the body section, right? In the body section. And what here, HTTP status code we will take as a what, okay only. okay itself only, right? Fine. Now our response entity is ready now. So what I'm doing now, just I'm returning what? Just I'm returning what? RESP, response entity only, guys. Okay, so now our method is ready now. Okay, so now let's run our application now. Let's run our application. Now I'm running this application, guys. Okay, so come on the postman and here post and save already some data. MI is there now. Let's save the data. No issue, still yeah. Now data is stored, guys. Okay, now one record, one product is saved now in the database. Now come here and see this one MI 3000, this one, this much GST, this much discount, and vendor, this one, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so fine. Now MI and let's take Samsung only. Samsung, and here take the Samsung private limited. Samsung, right? Now make the request. Now here what? Come here. Now refresh it. Two data is stored in the database, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
on the browser itself only, already URL is there, right? So what we will do now, just refresh it. We are getting right one MI 3000 or 30,000 and MI and this much discount, and this is the GST. This is the GST. This is the discount, and a Samsung product this much, and this is right. Come on.
Yeah.
Yes.
But if we want to select, right, if we see this here itself only, because that is the get methodology now. So what is the URI now, guys? Here where the
Find.
yeah, see the find and the ID, right? ID we have need to send the data, right? Here what? Primary key, right? Whatever, based on that, what this ID we have need to send, based on that ID only we will get the JSON data na. Come on.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, here I'm writing what? Find slash just first record I need. What? First record means what? MI 30,000 MI private limited, and this data I need, right? This data I need. Okay, this data I need, and this data ID is what? One, right? Based on that ID only we can select the data na. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Now I'm making the request now, guys. See, 1 minute. What happened? Yeah, we are getting one record, right? Now in this time our method is executing and we are getting one JSON data information na. Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
You can find here also. Now in the test, in the postman also, I'm selecting the get, and here just same method, right? Same method, URL I'm pasting here now here. Okay, so okay, guys. Okay, if we are giving this application to our what? Client will not happy, guys. Okay, just think about that now. Okay, find one and two record is there, because of that we are getting both data na. Come on.
Yeah.
But
Yes,
if
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
but what serial number, what 3 data is not there, and if we give this application to end user, and end user can understand this error.
No.
Not
No.
understand.
Not
No,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Give the response everyone, guys. Okay, I'm coming to your label.
Not Ravi.
Means
Yes,
what message our front controller dispatcher servlet is giving? What front controller is giving? No such element exception, right?
Exception.
So
Yes,
means what we have need to give some information things to end user can understand. Okay, we are the Java developer, we know that why we are getting this exception. Who is the not Java developer, normal user? Okay, those people can understand these things.
No.
not understand.
So okay, and because of why we are getting, because of why our application is failed, guys, because of wrong input na.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Because
Yes, Ravi.
And who put the wrong input? End user or developer? End user na, because end user.
user.
End user means what? So to handle this kind of things, so far that what we have need to implement in our application, exception handling. Clear? Come
Yeah.
on, guys, give the response.
Yes, Ravi. Got it.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
So so means what? Our application is this is the failure things, right? Our application is going to fail it now if the wrong input we are if we are sending means what if end user is sending wrong input, then our application is going to fail, right? If we are doing like
Yes,
this,
Ravi.
if we are doing like this programming, is it correct programming, right programming, or wrong programming, guys?
Wrong.
Wrong.
Programming.
Yeah, so because of that we are handling the exception, or because of that we are implementing in our application exception. This is nothing but what, this failure is nothing but what, exception na guys, come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes, right.
So to handle this kind of situation, what we will implement in our application now, guys?
Exception handling.
Yeah, we will use, we will implement exceptions, right? Exception, we will handle these exceptions, right? Come on, yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Oh,
Ravi.
okay. So now our next level discussion is what we have need to implement exception handling in our project. So now, are you ready to see this concept in our project now, guys?
Absolutely, Ravi.
Now
Yeah.
you got the clear picture. Why? See, this is our application. Until unless if end user is putting wrong, right data, our application, we are end user will get the JSON data or XML data. But whenever our end user by mistake, our end user whatever data is not there, just 6 record, right? So based on that 6 record, if not there, then what we are getting, our application is going to fail, na?
Yeah.
Okay, so because of that we have need to implement in our application what, exception handling. We have need to implement exception handling concept in our what project now, guys. So let's implement in our REST application what, exception handling, and we will see that how we are implementing. And if you are attending the interview without exception handling, interview will not complete, guys. Okay, that much important this topic.
बिल्कुल रवि बिल्कुल.
So now see this. Now I already, whatever concept I said that initially only, right? I said that I will I will implement this concept in our application, right? And see first what we seen that CURD operations, right? And now we are going to what, implement exception handling.
Yes, Ravi. Okay.
Okay, so let's work on this area now, guys. Shall we proceed it?
Yes, Ravi. बिल्कुल.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so exception handling, let's implement in our application what, exception handling, right? So okay guys, so what we will do now, first we have need to write our own custom exception. We will write one custom exception. For that we will create one what, class, right guys, class. Okay, so may I know that how many types of exception, guys?
2 types. Checked
Ah.
Two
and
types.
Start, Ravi.
checked and unchecked.
Yes, but here we are going to implement in our application what, unchecked exception, guys. Checked exception we must have need to handle it. Okay, so what we
Yes.
will do now, here I'm going to write what, com dot rk dot exception. Exception, right? And here I'm writing what we can take product. Our class name is product. Now let's take product not found, right? Not found exception. This is the good sounding, right? This name is good sound, right?
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, now finish it. So fine now, guys. Okay, so what we will do now here, if we want to inherit our exception hierarchy in our what, our own class, then what we will do it now, guys, extend what, extend runtime, right? Runtime exception, because runtime exception is what, guys, unchecked exception, right?
Unchecked exception.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, fine now, guys. So here what I'm going to do now, public, we have need to take what, constructor, guys. Okay, product not found, 1 0 parameter constructor I'm taking. Another one is what, parameterize.
Parameter.
Yes, one parameterize I'm taking, right? So here I'm taking what? A string message I'm taking, right?
Message.
And super. Let's call super also. MSG, and here also
Super without parameter.
super. That's it. Okay. So two constructor, overloaded constructor is there. We can load constructor or not, guys? Come on. Constructor.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
So that one only I did here, guys. Okay, so means I'm overloading the constructor, right? Okay, fine now, guys. So good. So come here, what our product service implementation class, guys. Okay, product service implementation class. So here what we are doing now. So here what we are doing now, guys. So one record we are selecting, right? So just what I'm going to do now, just I'm going to implement our custom exception, right? Custom exception in our application. So here where get one product, this one, right? So now I'm going to implement it, guys. Okay, so see this. So see here what I'm checking condition, right? If right, if, and what another one is what? Else, right? Two things I'm taking, right? If here, if optional is there na, let's take opt dot if is present. If element means what? If come here on the browser, I'm checking if the element 6 is present, right? Means what? One is present, right? One is present na, come on, one is present,
Ravi.
guys, in the database. See,
Yeah, present.
one id
Yeah.
is present, right? If present, if this id is present, then what you have to do now? Return this one, sorry, return this one. Return this one. I said initially only, guys, modification will be there in our application, guys. Okay, first we have need to construct the building, then we have need to do what? Painting and all those things in our application na. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
So same things I'm doing in the project also, guys. Okay, first we are constructing the building, then what? The like painting, denting, painting is going on, right? So good. So fine now, guys. So here after, then what? Throw. If we want to throw the exception,
If
right?
not,
Throw. Else, right? Throw. If not, right? If there, if present, then else. Throw the our what? Throw our,
product not.
New,
yes, new
new
product
product not found exception.
not found exception, right? One
Yes,
parameterized
Ravi.
constructor, another one is not parameterized. So here what I'm just writing here, what? Product not
Found with this ID.
product, just product plus id, right? Product based on that id, this one, this, right? This id, we will take this id here itself only, right? We will take this id here itself only. So here what I'm taking, this id. Okay, this id is not exist normally. This id is not exist, right?
Not exist.
Okay, means what? This message we will get. Okay, so fine now, guys. So normally, okay, so simply what we will do it now. So fine now, guys. Okay, so we will go to what? Our controller also, right? Our controller also. So where our find, this method is there, right? We are making the request whenever we have need to select one record. This is the method, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
so how many people confident about the generic, guys? Little bit, not much generic, because these things, the generic type only, right?
Yes, sir.
Generic,
Yes, Ravi.
right? So
Type safety.
okay, good. So type safety. Okay, so I'm going to implement. Anyone know about wildcard generic parameter?
Question mark.
Okay, no issue, guys. Don't
No,
worry.
Ravi.
We are learner, right? Then what is the
coupled generics
what?
are using for
Acha,
typecasting.
Type
avoiding
safety.
avoiding what?
null point, nulls, and
Null point,
some other
exact.
things.
Type,
I mean,
typecasting.
duplicate values and yeah. It is a tightly coupled, man. Whatever the passing to the string type, it is accepted on string type, not accepted on other types.
Okay, okay. Lokesh, one question I want to ask. Okay, so just you said you have a little bit experience. Just any you have real time
Yeah, ask
experience.
sir.
You have real time experience. Just still you are learner only.
Yeah, I'm learner only. I'm not any experience, but I'm support.
Okay, so yeah, because of your curiosity, I can understand, right? Because of that, I'm asking this question. No issue. Okay. Whenever you have to talk anyone, right? A little bit use respectfully. Whatever your wording should be respectfully. Okay, for you only, right? Not actually man, bro. What is these
Tell
things?
me.
Okay, just little bit use like a respectable. Whatever wording you are using, right? Man, okay, man, and what, bro, what is this, yeah? Just professionally, okay. Here, all are experienced person, and no one just a student, okay. So be careful, okay. Whenever you will enter in the IT industry, right? If you not using the respectful word, right? One day after ending of the day, right? Why they will remove from the project, you will also don't know, okay. So this is the guidance for my side, okay. Whatever your choice, you have to do it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Because in the session, right, I'm observing
I am also
multiple,
learner now.
I'm observing multiple time, bro, what, after then what, man, what is this? uh, okay, no issue. Okay, now get, right, get mapping, find ID. After then just one, at the end of like session, you said, right, girls also there. Don't think about that. Girls is so far from men, right? Girls also, you are thinking those girl becoming tired. No, if I take continue
No.
6 also, 6